drop on this flexin' nigga. He from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be. I say for sure, baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is day 2 at Myrtle Beach.
We just got hella tired.
Let me check the time. It is currently 9:53 at Myrtle Beach.
Oh shit, it's a sample.
Day 2. So far I woke up at 7 and we got ready and we ate breakfast. And then I just took a shower and I got dressed and ready for today. Let me show my sandal. See this. I want to show y'all the view early in the morning. That's what it's looking like, you know. Day 2. I'm gonna keep saying day 2 is day 2. Look how pretty. Okay. Bro, I look so fake. My background looks so fake. But like I was just saying, we are gonna go to the mall. Bro, what are you not understanding? This is my intro. We finna go to the mall and go look around and go shopping. Then, I think that's all we're finna do as of right now. It's so early in the morning, people already at the pool. People at the pool and in the ocean. I think I want to go in the ocean. Oh, let me show y'all my outfit of the day. This is my fit of the day. Oh, let me get into that right there. We finna look at that, okay? Okay, y'all, I made my first dumb purchase. I bought this big old pillow, but like, look at it, okay? In my pillow, you see me? Okay, yeah, inside this pillow, it got these little cheese balls. Like, look how cute. And like, it opens, but it was $50, but it opens. I was gonna do a video of me just like showing y'all everything I got, but that's only if I buy a lot of things, but I don't think I will, so. But I think this is so cute, and I just want to show you, so. I just put on my eyelashes. I think my feet ashy. I'm finna put some lotion on.
They go to step out for a second.
What that mean? As in step out and leave us here? So they leaving us here. That's why they was trying to make us go places.
Yeah, on God, bro.
They mean they finna be gone for a while.
They talking about go to the beach, go do something.
Oh no! So I sat up there, got up for nothing.
I'm gonna call it. Like, don't leave.
You might as well wait for us. We already dressed.
Literally. You about to call it?
Oh my bad, guys. I'm putting on lotion.
Yeah, I ain't trying to say it.
Your lips are so pink. Y'all look like little girls. That's so crazy. What do you think? Y'all look like females. He got pink lips like a Barbie doll, and you got pink lips like a little girl. Your lip shape look like.
That's a horrible body. Like, how you get shot from with shit?
We're in the mall, guys. In this big old gigantic mall. At the mall, looking for Seven World because we about to go taste some stuff. I know where it's at. Y'all, I just got these shoes. Let me show y'all my shoes. I got these. Every time I put on a charger, my phone only gets to 20%. and then we gotta leave. So I got a Philly cheesesteak. Y'all, I just ate. And it was bussin'. And it's my drink. And it was bussin'. Please ignore my hair. It looks so freaking bad. We at the golf cart place because we finna get golf carts. And my hair is not cooperating. Like, look at the curls. Anyways, we finna get golf carts. Look at how mess. This is so ghetto. I'm sorry, y'all look ghetto, y'all. I look like a fucking embarrassment. Hey y'all, I don't know if you can see me. Oh my god, Sabine. Hey y'all, I just got my henna did. Look at my henna.
Posted. Look at your water slide.
I'm gonna get another one.
Sound like we need a tuna.
They really do. Sound real dangerous. I'm back. I just went to go I had to go get a new room key because somebody, we're not saying names, somebody left the room key in the room.
I wonder who did that.
I really do too.
Yeah.
Is she coming or no?
That's what I'm trying to ask. Huh? Yeah. If we were driving, oh wait, oh no.
Looking like a berry.
It'll just go high.
Huh? If we were driving?
It wouldn't fall, it would fall.
I gotta reset it up. Looking like a berry.
I'm just trying to do vacation. These bitches keep fucking every day. Look,
Right there.
every day.
Oh, never mind. That's her boyfriend.
Every day, every fucking day.
We can find a girl.
I ain't been doing shit. And this bitch is.
He just run a can of 5 seconds.
He's venting.
He's venting angrily. He's like me, but I get mad. I would fight.
Wait,
I would've fought him.
You have been talking to a bitch, and they just ain't been.
I would have fought him.
She would have got irritated. She was like, Dad,
No, fuck
drive off.
irritated. No, fuck irritated. They even hopped out the golf cart
And dragged you.
ran us swinging her. Swinging on her or me? One or the other. No. But it's okay for her. Hey, y'all think
Outfit change number 2.
what's up, baby? Don't be looking at me. You gonna look.
Today, well, I'm gonna show y'all what I got on. I took a lot of pictures, so many pictures today. My boobs look fake. We finna go on the Ferris wheel.
It's right here.
Y'all, I'm back. We're at the hotel. I put on pajamas. I'm finna rip off these lashes, braid my hair, and then wait till the food get here. And yeah, I don't know if they wanted to see me do my hair, but they gonna watch anyway because I have no content.
See the neck tap.
This neck tat. I got a neck tat. I got a neck tat, guys. My neck is tatted. This how I've been wrapping my hair.
I just found the 20 down.
Yeah. The 20 I owe your mama. Most definitely put that in my purse. Thank you. You was finna steal it, wasn't you?
Yeah.
Thank you for asking. Cause I would have been shitty.
This is the second day when we argue. We've only been here for 2 days. Fuck y'all.
He's just kidding.
I'm not. Fuck y'all.
You weren't this
Falls down, fires up.
Bleep,
big
bleep, bleep,
whoop.
bleep.
You
That's
know
what-
what time
that's
it
what you
is.
right there.
You hear me?
Huh?
7 Mile. West side. You hear me? Certified around this bitch. You hear me?
Okay.
Well, I'm about to take my.
What's wrong with it? My pajamas look dumb?
Okay.
It's a lot of outros I was expecting, but that wasn't it.
I got my phone.
Why you asked me if I was wearing this? Like, it don't look like pajamas?
Huh?
It don't look like pajamas?
No.
No, it looks like an African.
Yeah.
No, they wouldn't wear
Ritual.
these. They wouldn't wear these though.
The shorts, nigga?
No,
The shirt, though. You
Yeah.
Want, you want your African tradition?
We have to
I ain't
get our
African.
Yeah.
Alright. This braid looks actually horrible compared to how I've been braiding them for the past night. No. Get your booty on my camera. And you gonna keep going. Your pants gonna get wet if you don't move. Cause my breath.
Oh, you said my braids.
Yo, pants.
My braids already got wet.
I said your jeans don't get wet.
Yeah.
Cause I don't want them to have wet stains and you get mad at me.
I don't want them to get wet. Damn, this is really gonna put two on my yellow side. It's like, damn, you dirty ass fuck.
Y'all wanna see me take a jello shot? Y'all wanna see me? You saw I just said. Like magic. Boom. Gone. This is gonna be a lot of editing. I made a video of me packing, then going to the airport, then leaving the airport, then going here. Then I made this one. This is day 2 here.
Day 2.
And we got 2 more days.
Don't remind me.
What? That's a long time.
You're right. Don't remind me because my dad pissed me off. He was on some bullshit. Don't lie, I say he wasn't.
But how me reminding you how many days we got left make you upset?
Because he on some bullshit.
Okay.
That's how. Right, you don't get it. Like, that's why I don't stay with them.
I get it, but I don't get it. Because you still talk to your father. I cut mine off completely. I don't consider mine my dad. I consider him a sperm donor.
And that's what I was calling my dad for the longest. My mama didn't like that shit.
No, I've been calling him a sperm donor for since I was 14.
And if you ain't do shit to take care of me, I took care of me in fucking jail when I was only 16 years old.
My dad ain't never been a dad for me.
But
Exactly why I don't call that man dad. He's like a cousin who show up when they want to. That's what my dad is to me. Exactly why he's a sperm donor. It is. Why he ain't my daddy? I don't claim him as a father. I claim him as a sperm donor. He ain't even on my birth certificate.
he ain't on your birthday.
He knows my birthday, but he's not on my birth
It's
certificate.
on your birthday certificate.
He ain't on my birth
Your
certificate.
mom had you young though.
We finna walk to the sushi place, and I'm wearing pajamas. We got our first thing.
Why don't do that?
This is, oh yeah.
I feel sad.
Guys, it's 1 a.m. and we just
got
ate.
At 1
And
a.m.
we just realized after tipping his man, he already was gonna get a tip regardless. We just gave that man $14 on accident. That's stealing.
Literally.
Yeah, they didn't give us. That wasn't consensual.
It wasn't that good of a service.
It really wasn't. All he said was checked on us. That was all. Not for no $14 though. We ain't got money like that. Hey.
Too late now.
Goddamn. I'm thinking about my life
Living
decisions.
our worst lives.
That food was yummy though.
Back to the bitch no more.
Well, I still got the food. Because we didn't finish our food. But, oh my God. Never mind. We're done.